All right, we're on our 4-ball rotation pattern and we're going to work backwards for these 4 balls, everyone. Looks like the 4-ball will go in this pocket over here or this pocket over here. All right, but from the 3-ball, looks like we're going to be over in this area. So let's pick to be in this area for the 4-ball. If we're anywhere in that area there above the pocket line or below the pocket line, preferably above it, we'll pocket the 4-ball there. All right, so knowing we need to be here for the 4-ball, let's see how we can get there from the 3-ball. 3-ball, I would like to be anywhere in this area, preferably just to roll up and then shoot the 4 there. So I'd like to be in this area for the 3-ball. How to get to the 3-ball from the 2-ball? If we're anywhere in this area, we'll clip the 2 in the side pocket, bounce down here, spin over, and bounce back out. So we can hit that with center right, top right, depending on where we land at in there. But that's where we like to be at for the 2-ball. All right, where we need to be to get on the 2-ball from the 1-ball, we've got 2 ways we can get there. I say if we put this right here, I can hit this because Tor teaches you to play those drills where you have to know where the cue ball is going with top. I can get here with top and I'll bounce right about here, miss the 4-ball, and come over here, and if I hit it hard enough, I'll bounce out. All right, I can get there that way, and I can also hit the cue ball here and hit this with low backspin and slide over. The tangent line is here. We would come here hitting it with the tangent line with a little bit of backspin. We'll come here. I will shoot it with top as a last resort, but I'm going to shoot this with bottom and just slide right over. A lot of times if you see the pros, that's a shot they do. Once you learn that shot, it becomes a strong shot in your arsenal. Meaning put this ball here, hit it with low backspin, and slide right over. All right, everyone, let's sticker this up and get to it. In this pattern, we can either pocket the one ball and send the cue ball off the end rail toward the side rail, or we can slide the cue ball over to the side rail as in this diagram. The key is getting as close to the side rail as possible. From here, we can roll the two ball in and send the cue ball off the end rail and side rail. Some players may try to draw the cue ball off the two ball for shape on the three ball, but this takes a little bit more effort than rolling in the two ball as in this diagram. Alright everyone, the one ball is going to be hitting the side rail, and it looks like they drew it over. Again, for the two ball, it's going to hit the end rail, side rail, and then for the three ball, you're going to hit the side rail. Alright, for the one ball, you're going to hit that with draw. For the two ball, you're going to hit that with just a touch of right spin to the right of center. And then the three ball is going to be hit with center. And then the four ball, pocket that bad boy as long as you don't scratch. Alright everyone, you know the drill. Let's get to it.